Vanakkam. First of all, a very, very happy new year to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure and a privilege to come to Neyveli Lignite Corporation. This is my first visit here. I heard so much about this corporation. In fact, the parliamentary committee was full of praise in the last evaluation that was done for NLC by the Parliamentary Standing Committee. And I was present when this uh, praise was showered on the entire team of Neyveli Lignite Corporation. Um, and hence I feel that it's a privilege for me to come all this distance. This plant that I've come just now, I've been informed, will be a 1,000 megawatt plant, which will replace an old plant, much less polluting and much more efficient than the previous plant. So it is heartening for me to be a part of this process and to launch the crane that will ultimately get the boiler going. So it's a pleasure here. I'll just briefly tell you about the coal scenario in the country itself. Till last year, till 14-15, there was indeed a crisis as far as coal is concerned in India. In the past 1 year, a lot seems to have happened on the coal front. Today, the coal production in the country by the public sector enterprises is growing more than 10%. None of the power plants in the country are critical or super critical in terms of coal. And if you compare it with last year around this time, there was a very, very serious crisis, as I said. The imports of coal have started coming down quite dramatically. And we are hopeful that this year we are going to have a record production by Coal India, as well as Singareni Coalfields Limited. Neyveli Lignite continues to perform dramatically well, and I hope and pray that they continue to do so. I personally have a great vision for Neyveli Lignite Corporation. It should emerge as one of the topmost power producers in the country. And I will have a much longer discussion later after I discuss with you on how to take Neyveli Lignite Corporation to the heights that it deserves to reach. Thank you very much. The country is looking at